This is a session that brought together high-level government stakeholders from justice sector, security, religious groups, State House of Assembly, Care International, Save the Children, Society for Family Health, and Trauma Healing Support Initiative. Addressing the stakeholders shortly after the flagging off of the session, the Commissioner, Yobe State Ministry of Justice, and the Attorney General of the state, Barrister Saleh Samanja, represented by the Director of Public Prosecutions, says the workshop is important as it will aid the effective implementation of the law prohibiting violence against persons, popularly known as VAPP Law.
This law, I can say, is a new law. Like rightly said by my Lord, it was passed last year around April. And as stakeholders, we need to know the content of the law in its entirety in order to guide us in the proper implementation of the law.
Earlier declaring the workshop open, chairman of the occasion, who doubles as the Chief Judge of Yobe State, Justice Gumna Kashim Kaigama, says the prohibition of violence against persons, VAPP Law, was domesticated in Yobe State on the 15th of April 2022.
The Violence Against Persons Act, that is the foundation from which we got our own Violence Against Persons Prohibition Law, has been in existence in Nigeria for over 6 years now. The Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act 2015 is an act of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which was equally domesticated in Yobe State and known as the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Law 2022.
Giving overview of the workshop, the Executive Director, African Youth for Peace Development and Empowerment Foundation, AFRYDEV, Ambassador Mariam Ajay, says the primary objective of the workshop is to familiarize stakeholders with a comprehensive scope of the prohibition of violence against persons law.
Ladies and gentlemen, the journey to combat violence against persons, here it has presented us with issues. It is our hope that we will embark on a crucial exploration of the VAPP Law, which, with an open mind and sincere dedication, unwavering commitments to transform lives of people, especially women and girls.
The workshop, which came closed with stakeholders developing a communique that identify areas of synergy and actions, had in attendance the Commissioner, Yobe State Ministry of Religious Affairs and Ethical Reorientation, representative of Grand Kadi, Honorable Babagana Hadi, Clerk of Yobe State House of Assembly, heads of security agencies who include the Commissioner of Police, Commandant, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, Correctional Service, and NAPTIP Commandant, among others. For YTV News, Muhammad Gambo reporting.